snow accumulating for parts of the Hudson Valley and all the way up into Sullivan, Ulster, and Dutchess County. So here on the west side, hard to believe it because you look outside and it's just beautiful. But what's happening outside your front door doesn't necessarily line up to what's happening elsewhere. We've got 34 degrees, and one thing I can tell you is that no matter what your temperatures are right now, you factor in the winds and it's even colder. So the wind chills right now in the 20s and 30s. It feels below freezing across the board. So we've got low temperatures that are chilly, but the winds are so big, it's definitely creating feels like temperature that's uncomfortable. Bundle up because gusts will be with us throughout the day. That high wind warning does not expire until 2 o'clock. So right now we've got peak wind gusts between 25, 35 miles an hour, but it's possible that we could see 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts, which create those problems that we've been talking about. Rest of the day, as you're planning it, know that temperatures can go into the late mid-40s under dry skies, even some sun peeking through. However, those temperatures will feel colder, and there's another round coming in tonight of snow mixing with rain for a very cold and slick start to your Monday. All details on that when we could potentially see some relief coming up in the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We'll see you then. Tony?
Waiting for that relief, Amy. Thank you. And as Amy said, those power